This is the sum you are seeing. We have to draw histogram. Now I have taken this table in this column wise, class interval this column wise, and frequency this column wise. Now see how to draw histogram. First thing, you have to take one full graph sheet, not half or not quarter, and you have to use this total sheet for one sum only. If you use only, let's say, this much portion in left side of your graph sheet, that is very bad thing. Teachers are not having microscope to see the graph. So, and maximum teachers are aged, they are having eye problem. So you have to do the graph covering the full pages, understand? And
Sir, you
actually
are not aged.
I am not telling about myself, about me, and actually this is not the reason. Reason is that,
Sir,
see, reason you have understood. Yes. Now see, the class interval start from 0 and run up to 60. So you start from here 0 and consider in such a way that it will cover the whole page. If not whole page, at least more than 2/3. So see, I have taken from 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I could consider this small box also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then here only it would finish, but I should not consider in that way. And if I consider 10 here, let's say 20 place I am considering 10, then 40 place 20, then 30, then 40, then where will I put 50
it
and
will go
where
out of the
60?
page.
This will be out of the page. So you have to consider in such a way that it is covering more than 2/3 of the page. Similarly, you see the frequency. The maximum frequency you see it is 26. So you take in such a way that it covers more than half or more than 2/3. Here you see point and make rectangle. See 0 to 10 it is 12. So 0 to 10,
Sir, we can write class interval as CI.
because everybody knows CI is class interval and frequency is F. You can write, no problem. So 0 to 10 rectangle will be up to 12. So after 10 you see 12 up to this. So you draw this rectangle. Then 20. So 20 this place, and this is 10 to 20 this rectangle. Then next one is 26 up to 26 you draw another rectangle. Then 18 you draw this rectangle. Then 10 another rectangle you draw. 50 to 40 to 50 and 50 to 60 it is 6. So 5 then 6 here this portion. And after that how do you do? You just do this shading. Shading you can do different rectangle, different shading, so that at a glance we can see this is the first interval, this is second interval, this is third interval, this is fourth interval, like this. One more thing, that is scale. Scale we have to write that along x-axis what we take. How do we take? We took 10 box equal to 10. See here, I have written along x-axis 10 box equal to 10. You can write 10 small division of a square equal to 10, or direct you can write 10 box equal to 10 or 1 box equal to 1. And along y-axis I have taken 10 box equal to 5. You see, along y-axis 10 boxes is equal to 5 I have taken.